I have to connect in. I'm recording. I can mute myself. And I think I can hide self view. There we go. Now we will stop recording until someone else joins. Okay, I guess we'll start about a quarter after here. It is December 20th, 2018. WIKISPEED stand-up. I guess I should flip back here. There we go. Last week, I had no posting for stand-up because I wasn't on stand-up. I reviewed the Volcano project that Lauren had suggested, and I joined the project. The TWiki tool is a little older, but it looks like it's fairly complete, and it might work out for us as a documentation tool. I investigated my 250 watt grid tie inverter, and it has some issues with battery voltage. It doesn't like it when the battery voltage gets below about 11. And in order to get it to start generating onto the grid again, I have to disconnect it, like unplug it, and then plug it back in. So I've only put 0.18 kilowatt hours back onto the grid so far, so it's not a whole lot of power. But there is somebody locally selling some used lithium iron phosphate batteries. 200 amp hour capacity. They look to be about 5 years old. They're Calb cells, and they want $100 each, and there's no shipping because I can pick them up. So that looks interesting. I'm not sure if I'll maybe I'll go look at them. I don't know if I'm going to be getting them. And next week I'm looking to do a little bit more work on the Polaris. Connect the DC voltmeter onto the dash, get the secondary battery running inside it, and along with a relay run from the ignition, so that it works the way the DC converter used to work, but it's a little bit more reliable. I don't have to worry about the wiring harness and the loose connections on it. I also have to re-terminate the connections on the big contactor. They're loose, and I have to kind of jiggle them to get them to work. Retrospective is the next, sorry, and no blocks. So that's the first part. Second part for retrospective and process improvement. I got 2.5 points done out of the 4 I was hoping to get done. So that's 6 out of 10. Plus I showed up for stand-up, so that gives me 7. The team, I was gonna go 6, but I'm gonna go 5 just because there's only me on stand-up today. And process improvement, I don't have a process improvement, but we've got to get more people on stand-up. And that is about it for today. I will get this posted, and that should be it for the night.